Don't forget to check out our top-selling CPD certified Excel courses and our awesome Excel training app. Our innovative Excel training app allows you to take our Excel courses inside your Excel application itself, giving you a truly immersive learning experience. Hi, in this video we will learn about the average function in Excel.
The average function calculates the average value in a range of cells that's given in the function. So for example, if I were to calculate the average of these numbers for January, I can write the formula equals average. I can select from the tab key, the first one, and then I can give the range and then close the parenthesis and press enter. So this is the average of these numbers. So I can check that with a sum function. If I were to sum all of these values, value is this value. If I sum all of this, so there are 9 regions or 9 sales values in this data set. So if I divide this total by 9, I get the average, which is the same value that I got over here. Once I get the average function total over here, I can copy the formula across. And then if I want the average from this side, I can again do average function. Select average, select the range, and I can do Control Enter here to remain inside the cell, and I can copy it down with the fill handle. So you have to apply the formatting and make this bold. So this is the average of these values taken from this side. And these are the averages from these regions. So get the regional average here and the monthly average over here. And also you can use the previous auto sum function option over here. If I click on the down arrow, you'll see the average function is also available. So I can use the average function from here. Then it will auto select a range. If it's not correct, like for the auto sum, I can correct it. Otherwise, if it's okay, I can press enter. So I can insert this average function using the auto sum drop down as well. And the average function, it ignores empty cells, text, and logical values. So in this range, we have some numbers as well as text and logical values like true and false. So if I do average function over here and select this range like this, I get 100 as the average. So it's only taking the values hundreds and then taking the average. So it becomes 100. So these other text and logical values are ignored. If I change the range to have some additional 4 blank cells, still the value is same because it ignores blank cells. So empty cells are ignored. And also cells with value of 0 are included. So if we have some number range like this, and if there's a number that happens to be 0, that is also taken into the average calculation. So here if I do average function, into this range, I get 54.545. So in this range actually, there are 12 cells, but one cell is empty and the others have zeros as well. So actually there are only 11 cells with numbers in this range. And the the sum you can see is 600. So if I divide 600 by the number of cells that have numbers, that is 11, including the zeros, I get 54.545, which is the same as the average.
Thanks for watching. Now, if you like this video, why not subscribe to support us and get notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.